This is a Power BI demo. And today is the first day for the demo class. So there are two demo classes. First demo today and second demo tomorrow. And regular classes starts from day after tomorrow, from Wednesday at 5 p.m. (5 to 6 p.m. sharp). And today's agenda: introduction for 20 minutes, what I'm covering, what we provide, everything will explain you. And second one, complete understanding from data to Microsoft Fabric. It's a theoretical session. So today we are going to discuss about theoretical part. And tomorrow's demo is practical. But today's demo is very much important. You will not get in all the places, especially YouTube level and many areas, you will not find today's kind of stuff. Even many trainers not providing it. So listen to it thoroughly. You will get complete understanding from data to Fabric. It's related to you and relevant to you. And coming to tomorrow's second demo, I'll give you a recap for 10 minutes and then explain you practical part for 50 minutes. And coming to regular classes, we'll discuss minimum 5 case studies and subject to learning for 46 days. Total, it is a 2 months duration course. In IT people, and I request everyone, please do not write anything. You cannot follow the subject. Simply listen to it and ask your questions. So non-IT people, I use technical words. Don't feel panic. Slowly you will come to know. If you watch the video 1 or 2 times, or if you go through the material 1 or 2 times, you will understand. IT people, I'll give you very valuable content today and tomorrow. Kindly listen to it. It is simple, cute, but important. And I request everyone, instead of considering like a demo, consider like a regular class. It's not a regular class, but consider like a regular class and read it. The same content I'm not going to repeat again in the regular class. Objective. My objective is a very detailed subject, which is suitable for any kind of project. An entry-oriented subject I will cover here. PL 300 certification. This subject also I'm covering. So this is my objective. Now let me start my first demo. 20 minutes. So my name is Vinay, and this is my contact number, and I'm a working lead consultant. The current course duration 50 to 60 hours. Daily 1 hour is the class. Monday to Friday compulsory classes. Saturday based on your interest. But monthly 2 Saturdays we have classes. You can ask me a quick question. Sir, do we require 60 hours to learn Power BI? If you want to learn basics, 15 hours sufficient.
Sir, please increase your volume, sir.
My volume?
Yes, sir.
From my side, it's good, sir.
Sir, but
kindly verify at your side.
Sir, everything was good, sir, according to my side. But I'm getting very low, sir.
So anybody else facing the same issue?
No, it's clear. We are good. We are good.
Right. Thank you. Let me continue. Please check from your side. So we provide daily live class videos and you will get access for 1.5 years to near real-time projects and multiple case studies provided. A solid theory and practical material also provided to you. And prerequisites, nothing. And who are all enthusiastic towards entering into IT, they can join for this course, especially non-IT people. They love this course because low code, no need to write much code. It's a low code component, full support to graphical. It does not mean it is not having good market. It is having excellent market. But knowledge on Excel or SQL add advantage to you for Power BI learning. Any graduate can learn Power BI. Please look at the prerequisites, qualification, and what type of component it is. So any questions in this screen? Offline, online people? This batch is for both offline and online.
Do we require to learn outside the SQL?
That I will tell you, sir, now.
One more thing. So, do we need the client in our machine or it's online?
Now you can install and you can practice in your machine. No need to worry. So what all the necessary things you need to have, I will tell you. Even we will provide you the required credentials to work on.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome, sir. And this is a
Sir,
subject. Yes, please.
sir, I'm having one doubt. I mean, after completing of the class, are you, I mean, like every day, you will send the videos of the every class?
Yes, yes, yes. That's what I told you.
Okay, okay, sir.
In the previous screenshot, I clearly mentioned daily live class video will be given to you and access you will get for 1.5 years.
Oh, okay, wonderful. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. And I will show you also how I am providing it.
Okay.
So firstly, I will show that. See, these are the batches I'm currently handling. And morning 7 o'clock recently started. See, 10 days ago. And you will get first the checklist, what I'm going to cover in the next 60 hours. It is fully systematic training, not ad hoc or junk, fully systematic training. Let me open for any batch, morning 8 o'clock, or 10 o'clock, 7 o'clock, where is 7 a.m.? This is 7 a.m. content. So our subject divided like this. First 2 hours demo part. Next 1 hour this content. Next 1 hour this content. And Power BI component subject to learning one by one. How many hours I'm going to spend for every chapter. And 2 near real-time projects, 4 hours explanation here, and case studies around 15 hours. Initial 8 hours, later 7 hours. And I'm going to cover Power BI report server, page-related report builder, tabular cubes, Power Apps and report embedding, Power Automate. These two 1.5 hour, 1.5 hour. For every batch, these are fixed content. And coming to service, for example, Power BI service class. It's a topic actually. Under service level, what are the things I'm going to cover? And in case of DAX sessions, there is a language called DAX. So what are the things I'm covering in the DAX? So everything very systematically, you will see here, not junk content. And whatever I feel I'm not going to explain, we'll follow this document and explain it one by one slowly. And videos, if you click on this, you will see the videos. First demo happened on Jan 6th. So these many sessions conducted. 11th session happened today. Once the session is completed, you will get a folder like this with video and documents every day, irrespective of your attendance. And coming to already completed batch, or go to 9 a.m. November batch, all videos. So I already completed Power Apps for this batch, Power Automate session for this batch, resume preparation, interview guidance, tips and documents I covered, and I provided video and resumes as well, not one to many resumes. So what all you require, I will provide you guys. Only one thing, you need to have proper time allocation for practicing and following it. See project 1, Inchcape project for explanation practice. In the middle of the classes, I conducted for them all the documents, all the code. Coming to WhatsApp, and you will find WhatsApp as well for proper communication. For every batch, we have WhatsApp group. At 10 o'clock batch. Once the video is placed, you will find a message like this. Video plays for so-and-so. Database, SQL Server. This is a session happened for today. If there is no session, we will inform very clearly. There's no session tomorrow and we'll meet on Monday. Right. Next. And there are many people settled well, not one, two people. So we have very good relationship with the students as well. So, sir, I got a job in so-and-so company. Actually, I related social media for analytics. Thank you so much for teaching me Power BI. Could you please give me 5 minutes start tomorrow? So put including Wipro experience total so-and-so. So how much I can expect, sir? She got job after learning from me. Now her H1B also processing. December 1st. That is many, not one, two guys. And you can see this person. Thanks a lot, sir, for your support. You always give a response immediately without any delay. No one provides such facilities except Vinay. Great platform. Salute to you. Something, whatever he like. He mentioned this. Will not ask anyone to do it. Because whenever people ask about credentials to practice or anything, we are providing. So let me know your time to connect one-on-one, and I have doubt in ABC classification DAX, very complex to understand. Send 2 credentials for Power BI service practice. So this is sufficient. Like this will give almost immediate response. Even delay also proper response will provide you. See, don't worry about that. Not like other institutions. So we are very friendly. We cooperate with everyone. Since afternoon I'm busy with my meetings and all, I could not answer this person question, but I'll answer.
Will you be covering both the development and administration too?
Yeah, both, sir.
Thank you.
Yep. This is okay. And the next 2 months, I'm going to cover this content. This is the part where I'm covering project information, project environment. As part of project environment, data warehousing fundamental, data modeling fundamental, agile methodology, GitHub versioning. These 4 I'm covering. And projects and case studies, 2 near real-time projects, multiple case studies. Database and SQL, 3 to 4 hours I'm covering. But my recommendation, I'm covering 3 to 4 hours. But my recommendation, learn whole course and then prioritize 9 topics. So there are 9 topics. I will give you the list. Just prioritize. An MSBA tabular cube, I cover for 2 hours. Job trials, resume preparation, FAQs, mock interviews. These all we will conduct. So project and environment related content, this one. Come to subjective learning. Power BI having cloud components I'm going to cover. And these are the two components available for the cloud. I'm going to cover both the components. And there are two components for the on-premises. So what is on-premises? What is cloud? I will give you understanding in a few minutes. Don't worry. I will cover that one as well. And Power Apps and Power Automate also I'm going to cover. So very detailed subject with the relevant components for your project and job requirements. This is purely industry-based content. Next, after learning this course, you are suitable for less than 5 years in Power BI. These opportunities. You can keep less than 5 years and try on this. Power BI developer, DAX and SQL, this combination. And this is having 90% opportunities. DAX is a language which is used in the Power BI. SQL is a separate language which is used for the database operations. I'm going to cover DAX for 10 hours, 10 to 12 hours. Don't worry, you will get good confidence on the DAX because in the case studies level also we discuss about DAX. So 90% I'm covering here, and Power BI support, Power BI admin operations also you can try. And coming to Power BI combinations, you have MSBA knowledge. This combination you can try. You have Tableau or ClickView tool knowledge. You can try in this combination. Power BI, Azure, ADF, and Data Lake, and Synapse and Databricks. So these combination opportunities also available in the market. I will tell you in few minutes the best combination along with Power BI in case you're interested to learn or you're having more experience. Your experience is a 10 plus, 12 plus, but you want to move into this. Then learn additional component along with Power BI to get good weightage in the interview level to make suitable for multiple projects. What are the components, the combinations? I'll tell you if you wait till end of the class. Senior roles, more than 5 also for Power BI opportunities available. But if you want to try for these positions, at least 1 or 2 projects. End-to-end you need to work. At least 1 or 2 projects end-to-end you need to work. Got clarity? And the institution provide theory and practical material. Training is fully practical oriented training, except today. Except today, the training is fully practical oriented. And you will be having good interaction with me. And we'll discuss FAQs in the classes. Even we'll conduct tests as well. On and off, we will conduct tests in your WhatsApp. Daily live class videos, resume preparation, and WhatsApp group also created. And this kind of links will give you for tests. Take 7 p.m. batch. See, every day after completing the session, you'll get the video. Even job opportunities will inform. Recently, we got an opportunity from the company, fresher opportunity. We informed. Yes, a couple of documents. There are tests as well. Yes, demo overview, basic evaluation test. So day after tomorrow, once the demo completed, you will get this test first to test yourself, how much you understood from the demo. Right, sir? This one. So what we cover, what we provide, what you are eligible for in the next 2 months, what I'm going to give you, I clearly explain. The training is 2 months training. Once again, it's a 2 months training, detailed training. In case you want to fast track, there are 2 ways. If you are rushed for a project, reach out to me on my number. I will guide you. In case you're not rushed, you want to learn properly, then continue with the session. Because my 1 hour equal to for you 2 to 3 hours in a day practice. Training is practical on the training, 2 to 3 hours day practice. If I take 2 hours in a day, you need to have 6 to 7 hours practice or 6 to 8 hours practice. It's not that much easy. We cannot cut down the subject as well. So unless you got a project, you know, to work immediately, you take normal track. And sir, will you provide previous batch videos if I join for this? Yes. There are a couple of people, they're following the current batch and enjoying with the videos. At the same time, they're asking, sir, could you please provide previous batch videos so that we'll follow those as well to complete it little early. Yeah, that is also possible for the people who wants to complete. That is a fast track method. We don't have separate fast track. I'm not taking any fast track classes, but if you want to follow my classes fast track way, 2 batches you can attend parallelly or continue 1 batch, take previous batch videos. So whenever you get time, you can finish it up. Saying fast track is very easy, but practicing is tough. It takes time. In my experience in our institute, 90% fast track people join for normal track again. That's what I'm telling. Right. Next. Right, sir. So this is about our institute details and what we provide. Now ask your questions if you have any questions till this part. And who all just joined, kindly provide your email ID and mobile number to get today's demo video and document. Anyone having any questions?
So when will be 6 p.m. And 7 p.m. batches will be starting?
It will take 15 to 20 days time.
Oh, okay.
Sir, 7 p.m. batch, sir?
Yeah, that is also, madam. Plus or minus.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
Welcome, madam. Right. So let me start with my second part. First part is completed demo. Sorry, what we cover, what we provide. Second part is interesting part. Listen to it.
Hello?
Yes, please.
Sir, 7 p.m. batch is available, sir?
Yes, available. I'm having total 6 batches. 7
Okay.
a.m., 8
Is
a.m.,
it
9
possible
a.m.
after 7 because I'm a working aspirant?
Yeah, 7 p.m. is 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. That is available,
No,
but
no,
you take.
after 7 p.m. I am asking.
That's what I'm telling, sir. 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. is after 7 p.m. only.
No, is there any apart from 7 p.m.? I mean, to say after 8 o'clock, any
No,
batches?
no, I'm not taking, sir. 7 p.m. to
It's
8 p.m. is the
7
last.
to 8. 7 is
Right.
the last.
Last for me.
Okay.
Is there any batch would be starting like around 8 a.m., 9 a.m. coming soon days?
8 a.m. We are going to start next week.
Next week.
Sir, any
9
weekend batch?
9 a.m.
Not at decided, sir. But next immediate batch is 8 a.m. It's in the next week.
Next week. So we would be notify on that dates.
Yes, you will get it.
And one more thing, what if in case we miss a day class?
Yeah, you will get the video. That's what I'm telling. Daily live class video you will get in the folder. You can see that. Sequential order, you will find the video and date.
Okay. So
Alright.
you started the batch today, right? So when do we need to mandatory install the client in our machines? Within how
Don't
many
worry.
days?
No, immediately. Tomorrow I will tell you how to download and install. But day after tomorrow onwards, you will work on practical along with me.
Any weekend batch is there?
No weekend, sir.
So as of now, I'm using office laptop. So will it be possible to use our Power BI? Because I'm not sure whether it will support. If it is online, then it is fine for me. But client mandatory means it won't allow or permit me.
No,
So
don't
that's the
worry.
reason.
No, don't worry. Wait till tomorrow, then you will understand. I will guide you
Okay.
properly what to do.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome, sir. Have a great day. Right, sir.
Sir,
Guys,
hello?
yes, please.
Sir, by learning only this tool, can we try Java on data analytics only
If
with
you,
this tool? only?
along with Power BI, SQL is recommended and mandatory. So learn Power BI and SQL, and you have more opportunities. SQL is a language required to work with any database in the real time. That's the reason This combination, I recommend you to learn more and more opportunities.
PLSQL is not required. SQL is enough.
SQL is an SQL server.
Oh,
Sir, I have one query.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, please.
Sir, what is the difference between SQL and SQL developer? Is both are same or any changes?
I will address this question at the end of the session, or else you kindly call me a number. I will explain you, sir, because we are going out of the top.
Okay.
So
And
guys,
please mention between Power
please,
Apps and Power BI.
guys, this is my contact number and I'm giving timings. So please do call me on this number. If you have any questions, any concerns, any doubts, or anywhere you need clarity, note down. I given the
Okay,
chat
sir.
room.
Fine. Thank you.
thank you.
Any kind of suggestions, concerns, you can WhatsApp me or you can call me. Call
Okay.
timings
Thank you,
also
sir.
mentioned. Welcome, sir. I also request everyone kindly provide your email ID and mobile number to get today's demo video and document. Right. Let me start my second part. So data to fabric understanding, very important process and approach I'm explaining, kindly focus. Without understanding this, don't start your Power BI sessions. You cannot conclude what exactly it does if you start without knowing this. Interview oriented, certification oriented, knowledge oriented, this hierarchy is highly important. With experience, huge experience, I made this flow and explaining multiple things in the demo. First, data. So what is data? So anything you are able to store is called data. And in the current IT market, we have three types of data. First one, structured data. Second one, semi-structured. Third one, unstructured. And the structured data, table, Excel, these kind of applications we use because column by column, please look at this, column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, like this column by column, field by field, we write it. So this is called structured data. Semi-structured, if you see this, we have student ID and one, student name and something. No proper structure, partial structure available. This is called semi-structured. JSON, XML, these all come under semi-structured. And social media, WhatsApp, Twitter, documents data, email data, this comes under unstructured. So there are three types: structure, semi-structured, unstructured. And Power BI is a BI tool which support all these types of data. And that is the reason initially Power BI promoted with this feature. Any type. This is a slogan. Anyway, any format. And Microsoft attracted the market with this slogan. So any type of data it can process. Any format data. So IT industry level, there are two types of storage formatted data available. One is file, second database. So some people keeping this data in the file format, some people keeping this data in the database format, simply table format. And the storage areas, this data, some people keeping in on-premises within their company level, organization level, server level storage, and some people in the cloud level, somebody else storage level. So Power BI is supporting any type of data, any format of data, any storage of data. Hope you understood what is cloud. Somebody else storage. Google Drive is a cloud. OneDrive is a cloud. These are data storage clouds. Even Amazon Prime, Netflix, these are also clouds, streaming clouds. So knowingly or unknowingly, daily we are working on it. We are taking our mobile backup into cloud only. Our laptop backup into cloud only. So firstly, we are keeping an on-premises level. Later, we are moving to cloud. Every week, one time, or every 2 days, one time, we'll move the data. So this is about data types, formats, storages. Everyone got clarity? Now, IT applications. There are two types. So not two types, many types available. Importantly, these two. And you're able to see Java, .NET, Python, PHP, SAP, mainframe, many applications for many operations or different types of operations. But we are discussing about the two major application types. One is a business running application. Another one, business analysis application. Business running applications. Technically in IT level, we call it as OLTP, online transactions processing. And these applications provide at the end of the operation, transaction success, transaction fail. So these applications also, knowingly or unknowingly, daily we are working on. IRCTC ticket you booked. At the end, it will give you transaction success or fail. And money you transferred through online, transaction success or failure. Phone Pay, GPay, transaction success or failure in transaction ID. So those applications come under business running applications, a logical word, technically OLTP, online transaction processing. Then who will work on this? General public. We are the people work on it. Through web, through desktop, through mobile, we will work. But how do we do it? By using forms. You want to book a train ticket, you will get a web form, a desktop form, mobile app. And the data, whatever you are keeping, transactional data, because either transaction success, transaction fail, this data only available. So we call it as transactional data. If management team wants to analyze this, we have separate applications, business analysis applications. Technically, we call it as online analytical processing, OLAP. So the IRCTC data, whatever you have, from this you want to identify the trains having highest booking, the trains having lowest booking, lowest demand, normal versus Tatkal tickets booking in today's operations. So this kind of data you derive from here. And this data is called decision-making data. Some people say analytical data. If you have a question, what is analytical data? This is analytical data. Since it is providing intelligence information to the business, we also call it as BA data, business intelligence data. But how come we convert this data into this? How do we convert this into this? It will not happen in a single step. We have a process, BA process or OLAP process. So this is a process we'll implement. So transactional data gone through a BA process, and BA data it will create, and then a BA information presented, and maximum BA information presented in reports or dashboards. So here you will get a form, and here you will get a report or dashboard. So report indicate individual, operation, display, area with visuals only, graphical components only. Set of operations, high level presentation area, dashboard. So multiple operations, high level will present here. In other words, report level detailed data will show, and dashboard level high level data will show. Business KPI data we will show. And customers nowadays, this data they're accessing through web, desktop, and mobile. And you guys taking a demo, and once you join for this course, you implement this process on this data, and you convert like this. And finally, customers will access the data in the web level, desktop level, mobile level. But what they will see, that information they will see in the form of report or dashboard. So your input is data, your output is report or dashboard. In between, you implement a process called BA process. And whatever you show, that is called BA data, decision-making data, analytical data. Got clarity? Any question in the screen? Now, before I go for BA process explanation, look at this. What is BA? Business intelligence full form, intelligence to the business, decision making or analysis of the business. Some people say it is a process of converting your data into decision making data and presenting the data through visuals and insights. So what is visual, what is insight? Visual indicate a data display component. Insight indicate accurate and deep understanding of visual data. Simply, insight talks about understanding, visual talks about presentation. Take any BA application. Input is data, any data, anywhere, any format. Output is report or dashboard. Take Power BI, Tableau, ClickView, any BA tool. Their objective is taking data, generating output. Sorry, report or dashboard. So this is report, detailed data. This is dashboard, high level values. Look at the screenshot. Kindly ask your question if you have any question. Now, coming to BI process. How do we convert normal data to transactional data? Very, very important. And if you're new to IT, you may feel little panic, but daily we discuss about the same diagram, same process. And Power BI, every report level, you implement the same process. You feel bored after third class. Very bored because same process. If you want to construct a house, what is the process required? Your requirements gathering, one plan, one builder, and team. We follow systematically. The same way, if you want to create a report, same process we need to follow. There is no other process available. Right. So this is general public area. They are using web application, mobile application, desktop application, performing operations, and the data is input data for analytical people or management team. So management team sees the data in web, mobile, desktop format. That data is BA data, business intelligence data. So this is transactional, and this is BA data. But how come this transactional data converted to decision-making data here? And we have a process called BA process. This is BA process. As part of it, this is a first layer, ETL. This is a second layer, warehouse. This is a third layer. This is a fourth layer, 4 layers. Any company you take, small, medium, large, no matter, process remains same. So in this process, scientists suggested, get the data from day-to-day systems. If it is not in proper shape, transform it and finally load to another area after making a shape and maintain in this area ES and ES data, huge volumes of data, historical data, incremental data, slowly changing data, etc. And that area is called warehouse area. So get the daily data, shape it and load it. And regularly if you do it and if you increment it, that area is data warehouse area, data huge storage area. 1 and 2. Once your daily business data available here and years and years data available, required data you take, required data. Because we don't use complete business data for analysis. Take a banking scenario. Banking people give high priority for savings account, current account analysis, and they do regularly. So they will create one savings account area and savings account calculations, one current account area, one current account calculations. And this area is called semantic area, technical, pure technical word. Semantic area will make this data meaningful in this area. Here more data available will make it meaningful. Once this is completed, presentation will do in the form of report or dashboard. Either detailed data or low-level, high-level data will present. So this process is given in 90s, not now. Multiple tools. First of all, multiple layers. Second one, multiple tools. Multiple resources required. But still, top companies, they use this process. Small, medium people, they're scared to use this approach, but top people use this approach as part of their business intelligence operations. So if any company wants to convert normal data into decision-making data, first layer ETL, second layer warehouse, third layer analytical or semantic, fourth layer reporting compulsory. And Microsoft decided, why don't we release a component where we can do all easily? That invention is MSBI and released in 2005. Since 90s, this process available, but all we can do in a single area in MSBI. First important point, and you need to remember what is MSBI, what it has, because this is the first BA from Microsoft. I usually ask this question in interview. So when MSBI available, what is the need of Power BI from Microsoft? Obvious question. If Apple wants to add some features, definitely they will give a new version, not a new mobile, new tab, unless there is a huge change. So this is a question most of the managers and technical experts asking. When MSBI available, everything we are able to do, why Power BI? Now I'm going to address it, concentrate. So MSBI released in 2005, and it is available as a suite. See this. And it is having multiple tools. First tool, second tool, third tool, fourth tool, like this. The first tool is SSIS, SQL Server Integration Services. This we use in this area. Second tool is analysis services. This we use in this area. Third tool is reporting services. This we use in this area. Multiple tools. So MSBA suite is available in the market with multiple tools. And many people started using it. But still there are some drawbacks. What are the drawbacks? I will tell you now. And to overcome those drawbacks, Microsoft given Power BI. So this is a suite with tools. I'm writing here, MSBA suite with tools to perform BI process, business intelligence process, and generate reports and dashboards. Microsoft reduced this burden by giving Power BI. Power BI available in the market as a single application. And some people call it a self-service BA application, self-service BA. If you go to hotels in many places, you find self-service. So we go to the counter, we get our plate, we get our food, everything we do it. That is self-service. So Power BI level, we have only single application with multiple concept. Concept 1, concept 2, concept 3, concept 4. These 4 concepts performing respect to operations. Not multiple tools. This is one advantage. There are a couple of more I'm going to explain now. And one more history I want to tell you. Focus. So BA evolution. First, I explained about data and then IT applications. And what is BA application and process explain. Now BA evolution. So legacy. Since 90s, we are having BA applications. And initial BA require multiple tools, multiple setups, multiple resources, very complex and costly. And MSBA from 2005 available, and it is having multiple versions, 5, 8, R2, 12, 14, 16, 17, 19, 22. These are all MSBA versions. Every 2 to 3 years, there is a new version MSBA. So do I need to remember this? Yes, because Power BI level, we don't have this kind of culture. That's the reason I'm highlighting and explaining. And one more beautiness, 2005, though it was released, not flicked much in the market. Market and companies highly recognize MSBA from 2008. That is a major reason for the last 15 to 16 years. Microsoft is the leader in analytics and BA. Ignore about Power BI. MSBA is a leader in the analytics and BA for the last, not MSBA, Microsoft is a leader in analytics and BA for the last 15, 16 years. Brought by MSBA first. MSBA was in the leading position for 8 years. Now Power BI continuing it. Sir, how can I believe it? So it may take 1 or 2 days more time for your job, but 100% you will get the job in MSBA or Power BI because they are leaders. Very important history this is. Look at this. Microsoft named a leader in the 2022 Gartner Magic Quadrant for Analytics and BI. Come down. Even Microsoft definition, what is Power BI? It is a suite of business analytics tools to analyze data and share insights. Monitor your business and get answers quickly with rich dashboards available on every device. This is what I'm explaining. Right. Now we are talking about the market of Microsoft. Look at this. Today, we are announcing that 15th consecutive year, Microsoft has been positioned as a leader in this, not first year or second year, 15th consecutive year. And if you see this, leaders, Microsoft is a leader. Salesforce also come under leader. ClickView also come under leader. And not one more. Zoometrics. See, Power BI jobs demand grows as it is dominating market share. And this is very old link, 2021. I'm sharing all these links, documents, kindly look into. Market share of top business intelligence software in 21. 36% for Power BI. That means out of 100 projects, 36 projects in Power BI. Test all this. In 22, I know the statistics, 42%. 42% is of products in Power BI, not products, companies in Power BI. Projects in Power BI. So don't bother about Power BI market and future. These are genuine statistics, and learn properly. 100% you'll get the job, maybe immediate, maybe little delayed based on your learning speed. But you can stay tuned. Next 10 years, no doubt it will rule the rest like this. No competitor. Microsoft keep on increasing the features. Sir, how come you're saying? Now I'm concluding that part. Look at this. Why why Power BI created when MSB exists? MSB drawbacks. MSB architecture purely based on 2004 before market components. Why is that 2004 you highlighted? Because 2005 it was released. So the components support, the concept support, the engine, everything based on before market of 2004. In 2004 only, Facebook announced. Facebook releases 2004. Google very popular from 2005. Initial the name was different, and 2005 onwards, and cloud available in the market 2006, and mobile and tab apps available in the market 2009 onwards. So the major market change, IT components and technology change after 2005. But MSB level, those are not available. That's the reason people who like on-premises within their company storage, they go for MSBA. Cloud support is less. And MSB is really good to perform end-to-end operations by installing in your company. And no mobile friendly, no tab friendly. Very limited inputs it will support, because before 2004, the market data types are data storages, data formats are limited, so limited. MSB report you cannot place much easily in the Facebook level, Twitter level. Many places you cannot place easily, and need average coding in MSBA. An MSBA report, visuals and operations not suitable for the current market. Every 2 to 3 years a new version. Simply, the current market changes MSBA does not support. So Microsoft decided, why don't we add more power to the existing BI? So adding more power to existing BI, that is Power BI. So Power BI level, what we have? Cloud available on premises. Who all interested for cloud? Yeah, they go for cloud. Who are interested for on premises, they go for on premises. And it is a self-service BI application to perform end-to-end operations. One application, not tools like this. And mobile and tab friendly support. All types of sources it will support. Better report, so better embedding. Facebook level, Twitter level, many places you can place it. It's a low code approach, Power BI. Report visuals, operations, highly suitable for the current dynamic market. Monthly updates available in Power BI level. So this is an important one, guys. To accommodate continued market changes, Microsoft added a new concept called monthly update. For example, XYZ is a company, a new technology or new platform released. Immediately, Microsoft will join with this, and they will announce in the next month update, we have an integration with so-and-so company. That is the speed Microsoft following it. So if you want to conclude, Power BI is adding more power to existing business intelligence, or technical strong way you want to define for interviews. It's a low code application. Cloud and on-premises both supportive. Self-service BI application, which will generate report and dashboard from the data. Once again, Power BI is a low code and cloud and on-premises supportive self-service BI application, which will generate reports and dashboard from the data. And Power BI announced in July 2013. From here, every month we have an update till this month. Please look at this, the definition, simple definition, detailed definition. Release year, monthly update. And in the previous diagram, if you go, so previous web page, if you go, you can see here. January 2024 is the latest month update. November 2023. See this right hand side. July 2013, first one. Hoping you understood what Power BI has, what MSBI lacking. So with the given spirit of Power BI low code, Microsoft decided, why don't we give similar low code components and create a new platform? That new platform in 19 they released 2019, and Power BI also part of it. So 2013 to 2019 Power BI standalone individual, but 19 onwards it is part of Power Platform. And Microsoft assumed that Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, this combination will rule the rest. And people go for these combinations. But no company showed interest Power BI with this because their purpose is different. Power BI is a low code, okay, but reports and dashboards generated. Power Apps is low code. You need not write much code, but your mobile level apps, tab level apps, easily you can generate. Power Automate, it is also low code. Automated process you do easily. Virtual agent, it is also low code to create intelligent chatbots. Power Pages, it's a low code, but it will create web pages and websites. So these 5 components combination is Power Platform released in 2019. Power BI part of it. That is the important one you need to remember. Next. But people using in a different way Power BI. So Microsoft noticed all, and they given a new AI-based solution called Fabric. So if anyone wants to learn this along with Power BI. Because they monitored multiple companies and the project's implementation. And they have seen Power BI people are using for reporting. Data Factory, this is called as Azure Data Factory for data integration. And Synapse, data storage and analytics. And Data Activator people using for data monitoring and governance. So Microsoft decided, why don't we give a suit all these components? That is a Fabric. So what is Fabric? An artificial intelligence based solution with the below 4 components. First one, Power BI for reporting, Data Factory for integration, Activator for monitoring and governance, Synapse for storage and analytics. So who all financially okay? Power BI plus SQL sufficient. This is good, more than enough. Power BI good knowledge, SQL basics sufficient. As I told you, SQL 3-4 hours only I will take. I cannot take all the classes, but learn from a good trainer, 1 month to 45 days training. Later prioritize 9 topics. This is good. Along with that, you want to learn any other component, learn ADF or Synapse. So your resume will be more strong. But this is recommended for the people who are having more than 4 years of experience or 5 years of experience, etc. Then financially you're okay. And if you open Power BI, now no more Power BI alone. Fabric Power BI. See, app.powerbi.com. This is the Power BI cloud service. Let me click on it. See, it's going to Fabric. Something I'm signing in. See, this is a Fabric account. And if you go to help and support, see a Fabric preview. If you want help and support, one second. Help and support. If you click on this, Microsoft Fabric support. Support for Power BI is now part of Microsoft Fabric support. You might think initially, why trainer is explaining Fabric? This is the reason I'm explaining Fabric. Now Power BI part of Fabric, not standalone. Everyone okay? The Power BI, Data Factory, Data Activator, Synapse. All the locations right now up. So conclusion, we have 3 types of data, 2 types of format, 2 types of storage. IT application level, 2 major available, OLTP, OLAP. OLAP nothing but analytical processing or BI processing. And BI applications, which will take data and generate report or dashboard. We have legacy BI, old BI, where multiple tools, multiple people required. And middle-aged BI, single suit is required. Modern BI, current BI, single application sufficient. Single application. One best example, Power BI. Powering BI, adding power to the existing BI, or it's a low-code application, self-service BI application to generate reports and dashboards. Since 2013, it is standalone, but 19, it is joined as part of Power Platform. But market is completely changed, so it's part of Fabric since 2023 July. Exactly after 10 years, now it is part of Fabric. These are the components available in the Fabric. Got clarity? Right. So whatever I planned for today, successfully completed. First 20 minutes coverage and what we provide. Next, data to Fabric understanding. And whatever I explained, the screenshots and all, you will get in a material. Kindly go through. Video and material, both you will get. And tomorrow, first 10 minutes recap I will give you. And next, I'll go for the practical part tomorrow. So IT people, hope you understood what I explained. Non-IT people, slowly you'll understand everything, or go through the content, go through the document, you'll understand very clearly. So my intention, detailed subject coverage for 2 months, which is suitable for all kinds of projects. Entry-oriented subject also you cover. And PL 300 examination, if you are preparing, I will help you on this. And this is my contact number in case you want to reach out to me. And kindly provide your email ID and mobile number to get demo details, demo documents, demo video. As I told you, it's a 2 months duration course. Daily live class video and multiple projects. Theory and practical I cover in detail. And along with the materials. No prerequisites, anybody can learn, any graduate can learn. It's a low code component. Training is from basics to very advanced level and maximum practicals and real-time oriented. That's all guys from my side, whatever I planned for today. And tomorrow we will discuss second demo with practicals.